This is what happens to your body when you eat honey every day. Honey is one of the sweetest things in nature. From adding it to a cup of oats for morning to slathering it on a peanut butter sandwich for lunch, there are unlimited ways to enjoy honey. Honey, on the other hand, is more than simply a delicious delicacy. Honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties made it a powerful tool for treating infections and inflammation. Is honey truly the all-natural cure-all that some claim it to be, or is it just a fancy sugar? What does happen to your body if you consume it on a daily basis? 1. Honey provides the antioxidants that your body requires to combat free radicals. Antioxidants are substances that protect the body from free radical damage. Free radicals cause damage throughout the body, a condition known as oxidative stress. 2. Eat honey to get rid of a bothersome cough. Honey is not a cough cure, although it can help to reduce the severity of the cough. According to one idea, honey decreases inflammation in the airways and also helps to relax the nerves that cause coughing. Honey is also a demulcent, which means it soothes the mucous membranes that line the mouth, throat, and lungs. It was finally concluded that honey was better than standard therapy for the alleviation of symptoms of upper respiratory tract infections. 3. Consuming honey on a daily basis may help lower your cholesterol. Although high cholesterol has no symptoms, it is a risk factor for heart disease and stroke, both of which are significant causes of mortality in the United States. If your cholesterol levels aren't where they should be, substituting honey for conventional sugar may help to raise them. According to one research group, those who already had high cholesterol and ate honey had a 3.3% drop in total cholesterol, a 4.3% reduction in LDL cholesterol, and a 19% decrease in triglycerides. 4. Honey can be used to soothe an upset stomach. Gastroenteritis, sometimes known as the stomach flu, is an illness of the digestive tract caused by viruses, bacteria, or other organisms. The most common symptoms of gastroenteritis are abdominal discomfort, vomiting, and diarrhea. Honey has been shown in studies to reduce the length and severity of the stomach flu. 5. Honey may offer substantial cancer-fighting capabilities. Honey appears to prevent DNA in cells from changing, which reduces the risk that a specific mutation will lead to cancer, and it also inhibits the growth of cancer cells. Honey may also help to minimize the occurrence of bacterial infections after conventional cancer therapies. 6. Consume honey on a daily basis to improve brain function. Honey is classified as a nootropic, which is a drug that improves memory and other cognitive capacities. Honey consumption early in childhood promotes the development of the complete central nervous system, resulting in increased memory, greater intellectual ability, and lower anxiety later in life. Honey may also protect brain cells from insufficient blood flow. Honey's anti-inflammatory qualities may also help protect against neurological illnesses. Honey has a strong influence on the cells of the hippocampus, a brain area connected with memory formation. 7. Consuming honey on a daily basis may help with fertility. For thousands of years, honey has been utilized as a fertility enhancer. Honey is thought to boost egg quality and may make ovulation more regular in women. Honey is also known to boost both sperm count and quality in males. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.